Salam Satra and hello everyone. My name is Liu Chen Kwan. I'm the leader of QuadVision, and our guidance lecturer is Madam Lim Hui Cheng. And this is our members.
Hi, I'm Hong Wei.
My name is Han Song Lim.
Hi, I'm Hong Kevin. Hi, I'm Yang Guanglong.
So now, we are going to introduce our innovation project called QuadVision, which is a kind of simulator for completing the square.
Alright class, now I have your mathematics test result. So here you go.
Nothing? How can be nothing?
So deep.
Huh? Is it? Huh? You get 11
I guess you can guide this.
Completing the square?
Wrong. The graph also wrong.
Huh? You don't know how to do completing the square Even my figure can go better than you.
Many of matriculation and secondary school students face a problem. They can't understand the concept of completing a square. Furthermore, many of them also can't connect the algebra equation with the graph.
Are you okay?
No, I still don't understand.
Okay, never mind. But I think I got something that can help you.
Something?
Yes. Do you heard of QuadVision? QuadVision can help you understand completing the square and connect the algebraic equation with the graph through a more visual and interactive learning experience.
Really?
Of course, come, let me show you.
So this is our website. We need to click on the visualize my first question. Your screen will show something like this. Then, what you need to do is just put the value of A, B, C in the quadratic equation to solve in here. Click visualize. The website will automatically generate a square area model to visually demonstrate the process of completing the square. The website will not only generate the split square model to demonstrate completing the square, but it also plot the parabola curve of the quadratic function for visual comparison. Then, when we're scrolling down, there are two types of games to let us more understanding the concept of completing the square. As we're scrolling down again, the quadratic real-world simulator will demonstrate how quadratic equations play out in our daily life. Then, one of the most significant features of our website is able to upload photos to help us solve the quadratic equation by applying the concept of the completing the square.
QuadVision has created a positive impact on students' learning experience. Based on feedback from 30 matriculation students, 85% rate QuadVision as very useful, while another 10% found it somewhat useful. Students also highlighted that the interactive games made learning mathematics more enjoyable, while our bilingual design helped them to overcome the language barriers. One student shared that QuadVision helped him to finally master completing a square. This shows that our innovation is not just interactive, it makes difficult mathematical concepts easier to understand, practice, and master.
I hope the demo video helps you know more about our innovation project. The idea for this innovation actually came from my own experience back in Form 4. From my own experience in Form 4, I'm facing obstacles to understand, to learn, to know the concept of completing the square for solving the quadratic equation. That's how this project was born. What I want to say is, our innovation project aims to solve real-world problems with a low-cost and efficient way. Last but not least, innovation is not our goal. Solving problems is. So, let's hear our names, QuadVision, during announcement of the winner. See you!